Good morning and welcome to this HTML5 course. In this chapter we will see the continuation of our project and we'll see how to open our messaging applications, phone calls and social networking applications. How to send an SMS directly via the application. We will simply copy here and we will change our link. So we will put SMS 2 small dots 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For example, body is equal, and there we will put the message that we want to send. So I choose to put the message. I arrive in 5 minutes here, so it will not be local taxi but a message. And in my small text I will put SMS ami, so friend. If I update, I have now in my little application my little icon of message. We can do the same thing for WhatsApp. So we will simply change the address here and we will put WhatsApp send text. So we will leave message and we will put in WhatsApp friend ami. So here is our little WhatsApp icon. We can also add a call via Facebook Messenger or call a message via Facebook Messenger, and for that we will change the address here. We will put FB Messenger share link, and there we'll have to put the HTTP address. We will put here message and we will put FB Messenger. We can also use our phone app to call directly to the phone. We will have to put tel, 2 dots, and the telephone number beginning with the code of the country, for example 33, 7, and etc. I put whatever. Here we will put not message but calls, and here also. It will not be appel but call, and there I will put appel ami. So if I update, I have now my icons that are well here. We can also do it with FaceTime. So for FaceTime it will be user and we will have to put the domain, and we will put video call and FaceTime here. In the same way we can have an audio call. It will be enough to add here audio. So there I will put audio FaceTime and it will be simply call. I update and now you can see that I have my little applications. We will finish with Twitter and Snapchat. So here for Twitter we will modify So it will be https://twitter.com/intent/tweet. So here it will not be call, but add, and we will put here new tweet. Finally, for Snapchat, it will be simply Snapchat. In this way, we will put camera, and here start Snapchat. If I update, I have my new icons, so you can test this on your phone. So as I said, via html code.online or by hosting your site and testing directly on your phone.